Hello everyone, I'm Nitin. Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about, or we are going to discuss about each and everything about GoPro. This is my GoPro and this is GoPro Hero 7 Black, and it's been 1 year, almost 1 year I have this GoPro as my main camera because I didn't buy any other camera. I just use this camera for each and everything. And if you are new here, so make sure you subscribe to this channel, and for more updates just click the bell icon. And without further ado, let's start this video. So let's start with the first point. So I already have my GoPro Hero 7 Black for past 1 year, and the biggest problem I've seen in this camera, or I use GoPro Hero 5, 6 and even 8, and all of these GoPro have one same problem, and that is hang. They hang a lot, guys. Whenever I shoot with the GoPro for all day, it will hang at least 2 to 3 times, and that's disgusting. Literally, I don't like when it hangs in the mid shot. I have to just open it up, remove the battery, remove the card, and then reinsert those things. Then it will start again, but in that time you will miss the shot, guys. Like literally GoPro hangs a lot, so I just want to inform you that it's just not with my device, it's with the problem with every GoPro. Okay, now let's head towards the second point. The second point I want to talk about is how overheat GoPro become, the heating issues and the battery problem of GoPro. Let's start with the heating issues. GoPro heats a lot, like a lot, guys. You just can't put a GoPro into direct sunlight for too long because the lens and the body gets so hot that you can't even touch, and by that heat the battery of this GoPro or any GoPro will heat up also, so it will degrade the battery capacity and the battery backup. And also GoPro have a very low battery, so it just if you are shooting on 1080p, then it will give you at least 1.5 and 2 hours, and but if you are shooting in 4K in sunlight with high brightness, so it will just last you about 40 to 50 minutes. That's it. So make sure you have 4 to 5 batteries of GoPro, but if you want to go in cheap things, then just bring a power bank with you. It will charge while recording, but then it will overheat, but you can do that also. So just buy a power bank, just buy a 10,000 milliampere power bank, and that's all you need. But whenever you insert that power bank, it will no longer become waterproof because the lid here will have to open it up for charging, so then it will not become waterproof. Okay, now let's head towards our third point, that is bugs in GoPro app and in GoPro as well. The bugs I want to talk about is like sometimes you just came from shoot and you just turn on your camera, and then the screen says that the card is unsupported and you have to format for that. So that is a very risky thing, but it is a bug, so the card is just fine. That is a GoPro bug. So, and there are also a lot of bugs in GoPro app that it will copy your files 2 times, first in GoPro app then in library. So there is a lot of work GoPro has to do with these things, so I just suggest keep mind these 3 things for good experience. Let's head towards our fourth point now. Generally this point is, I think, the main concern of GoPro. So let's start with this thing. The point I want to talk about is 2D view. Now you will say, what is 2D view? The 2D views means that the GoPro image have little to no depth of view, because the focal length of this is fixed, and that's why the focus of GoPro is infinite, so it will take each and everything in focus. So that's why the footage looks more like 2D image rather than a good video, okay, with good depth of field. That's why the viewers who are watching the GoPro footage are gonna bore after some time, that's sure. So that's also a disadvantage of GoPro. Now let's head towards the fifth point, and that point is the advantage of GoPro. That GoPro have a lot of advantages, so I just put those advantages in this fifth point. Now let's talk about this fifth point, that GoPro is the best professional camera you can buy in this compact size. You can vlog with this anywhere. Just remove it from your pocket and start shooting. That's all you need with GoPro, because it has good mic, excellent video quality. So GoPro is the best in its class, that's for sure. And if you have low budget, then you can also go for SD cams. Those are kind of good, but not as good as this GoPro. So the conclusion of this video is, like, the GoPro is a good device, but if you are a person who doesn't like this hang thing or the things GoPro do, GoPro bugs and the battery life, so I just want to say that go for the Canon G7X series. Those are the best vlogging cameras or camera overall, and those cameras also have a very compact size. So if you don't want to get in the hustle of this thing, so just buy those camera, don't buy this. But with the GoPro Hero 9 coming this in last 2-3 days, that camera is just awesome, but it also have those issues which same as this camera, like hang and everything else. So I just want to say, if you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button as well. And so goodbye, thank you, salam, adab, sat sri akal, bye bye.